Hi guys, this is Briar Crazy, and I just received a bridle from Cheaper Mind today, and I love it. Thank you so much. I love the material and everything. It looks so good on her, and especially it goes really good with like the saddle pad that I made. So I love it, and I recommend it to anyone who's looking for a bridle, because they are awesome. I love it. They're so cool. So that's what it looks like. It looks really good on them too. And see right there, you can move it down a little bit or up to get it like whatever horse you're putting it on, to make it go like straight across. And then this comes down through, and it has little like thing like the S hook things where you can put it through, and you can make it how tight you want. So that's really cool. So thank you for watching, and happy Easter. Bye.